Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to generate a Word document with Copilot. Microsoft Copilot can generate entire Word documents from a simple prompt, helping you create reports, proposals, business plans, meeting summaries, study guides, and other documents much faster than starting from a blank page, which is from scratch. How to do it? First of all, open the Microsoft Word from your Microsoft 365 Copilot. But this only if your Microsoft 365 subscription is on. If you don't have the Microsoft subscription, then you need to get it either from here by Microsoft 365, which will open this page, or from clicking on compare plans. Now what you need to do is to get literally any plan from these or from those plans that are in front of us. Any bundle could work for you or will work for you, since all of them have the Copilot on in it. So once you have it, simply open Word. So I'm gonna open this document right here. And once you are on here, the next thing is to generate the document itself. So what you need to do is either to go to documents here and go to Copilot, which is going to be next to Acrobat in case you had the premium version. And this will open for you a chat box where you can literally just write in your text or your prompt, like generate a project proposal, write a business plan, your training guide, etc, etc, etc. But in case you don't want to even to open the Microsoft Word, you can literally just go to Microsoft Copilot and from here go to chat, and here just ask it to generate a Word document with those details. So you can add details, your audience, purpose, length, tone, and sections to include. And just like that, the Microsoft Copilot will actually make it for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us some beautiful comments. That was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye.